Let us study some types of forces, that is, some types of contact force and non-contact force. First, the gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force that attracts any two objects with mass. It is exerted by the Earth's gravity on all objects with mass. For example, in this picture you can see that the apple, it falls down from the tree because of the gravitational pull exerted by the earth. Electrostatic force. It is the force exerted by a charged body on another body. As I showed you in the activity, the bits of paper being attracted to the ruler or to the comb was because of the electrostatic force. Magnetic force is the force exerted by the magnets, the iron filings or pins being attracted with the magnet. Frictional force is a contact force that comes into action whenever a body moves or tries to move over a surface. It always acts opposite to the direction of motion. For example, the direction of motion of this box is indicated by the blue line towards the right, and force of friction is in the opposite direction, that is towards the left. The drag force. The friction that is caused due to fluids such as water and air is called drag. Applied force. Applied force is a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. For example, here the man is pushing this trolley, so he is applying muscular force on it to push the trolley. Mechanical force is the force exerted by machines or parts of machines. It works only with the help of energy supplied to the machine. For example, there are many electrical appliances that work with electricity. For example, washing machine, mixie, fans, AC, and so on. Cars and vehicles run on diesel or petrol. The engine of a vehicle runs with the help of fuel and makes the car move. This is due to the mechanical force. The SI unit of force is Newton. The magnitude of force applied on an object is measured in Newton in the SI system. So, Newton is the SI unit of force and is represented by the capital letter N. Force can be measured using a spring balance. What we have learned today: force is a push or a pull. It can move a static object, it can stop a moving object, it can change the direction of moving object, and it can change the shape of an object. Force is of two types: contact force and non-contact force. Some types of forces are the force of friction, the gravitational force, the magnetic force, and the electrostatic force. This is an example of drag force.